Make your way onto your back. Lower one vertebrae at a time. Draw your knees into your chest and gently rock from side to side. I invite you to set an intention at the beginning of today's yoga practice. Circle your knees in one direction. Circle them in the opposite direction. Breathe in and breathe out. Lower your feet down towards the mat. Place your arms in the T position. Lower your knees to the right. Take your gaze to the left. Lower your knees to the left and take your gaze to the right. Windshield wipe out your hips a couple of times. Focus on the posture at hand. Step the feet together. Clasp the hands under the hips and lift the hips up towards the ceiling. Breathe deeply. Notice that your hips are level. Exhale, lower the hips down. Clasp your hands behind your left leg and inhale, lift the left foot towards the ceiling. Exhale, lower it down. One breath with one movement. Next time the leg lifts, pause and circle the ankle out in one direction. Notice any sticky spots in your ankle. Circle your ankle out in the opposite direction. Do you notice the difference? Does it feel better to circle in one direction compared to the other? Find stillness, lower the leg down, clasp your hands behind your right thigh, and lift and lower the right foot towards the ceiling. One breath with one movement. Next time your foot lifts, find stillness and circle your ankle out. Draw your low belly in and up, and draw your chin down and back. Circle your foot out in the opposite direction. Lower your foot down, press all four corners of the feet together, clasp the hands onto opposite elbows, and circle your elbows down and around and up and overhead. Bring some space into your shoulders. Breathe in and breathe out. Notice that you're not clenching your jaw. Circle the arms in the opposite direction. Soften the muscles in your face and soften the muscles around your eyes. Lower the hands down, bring the knees together, and then make your way onto your belly. Place your arms in the goalpost position. Drag your right knee up towards your right elbow. Turn your head to the right and notice that your right elbow is in line with your shoulder. If not, correct it. Turn your head to the left. Drag your left knee up towards your left shoulder. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the belly stretch. Lengthen the leg long. Lower the arms down by your sides and curl your toes under. Slightly lift your pelvis up off the floor and feel the stretch. Come to hands and knees. Press the big toes together. Separate the knees to the wide edge of your mat. Extend the arms forward and rest the top of your forehead onto the floor. Walk your hands towards the right edge of your mat and breathe deeply. Lower your left shoulder blade down just a bit. Breathe in and breathe out. Walk your hands towards the left edge of your mat and press your right shoulder blade a little bit closer to the floor. Come back to the words of your intention that you set at the beginning of class. I invite you to revisit these words throughout your day. Return to center. Place a bend in your elbows and firmly press your palms together into a prayer position. Walk your elbows just a little bit further so you can feel the stretch in your armpits in this wide-legged child's pose. Release the pose and come to a seated position. Extend your legs forward, flex your ankles up, create a micro bend in your knee, and hip hinge forward towards your feet, and then return to a lengthened out spine. Bend and straighten a couple of times. Find stillness. Breathe in and breathe out. Come to a cross-legged position. Draw your hands to heart center And always, always commend yourself for making time for you. If you want a little bit more stretching, I've got plenty of free videos. But if not, have an awesome day. Bye.